Hello guys, while using this CATIA V5 software for creating a 2D geometry or a 3D model or it may be assembly, we often use some toolbars which are associated with that particular geometry or assembly or part modeling. For example, if you are creating a sketch, you will use these constraint toolbars, and for creating some 3D features, you will use this pad, pocket, shaft, and these kind of toolbars. But we used to have a practice that because this space is not sufficient for having all these toolbars, so generally we will take out the tools what we need and we will use then and there, and will if you double click that will go to its place, and sometimes it will disappear, and if you click here and if you drag that, it will come into the space, and that's how we generally use these toolbars. But unfortunately, some toolbars may disappear, and if you try to find that, you cannot see that in this section. Use one thing: you can go to the View, Toolbars, and straight away go to the last option, that is Customize. Once you click that Customize option, you will get a bunch of options to enable and disable the toolbars. If you know the names of these toolbars, like transformation toolbar, okay, and then this is part design toolbar. Similarly, many toolbars will be there. If you know the name of the toolbar, you can go and search here, you can enable that. And if you don't know that clearly, and if you want to restore the default toolbars what you had in the default page, you can restore all contents, or it means restoring all the toolbars, and you can restore its position. Now you can see it is scattered somewhat here. If you restore its position, it will come back to the position where it was in the initial stage. So I think this thing will be helpful to you to find out your toolbars which seems to be missing.